please don't tell anybody. I am making these Mauli Tilaks for 3 special people in my life. I am going to make brooch with this, and it's very easy to make it. This project is total of 4 lines. First one in black color and rest 3 in yellow color. Making a magic ring, chain 2, and I am putting total 15 DC in the magic ring. This first chain 3 I am going to count as first DC, total 15 DCs, and then I will slip stitch into very first DC or in the third chain from the hook and pull up the loop and cut the yarn. If you see construct of the Mauli Tilak, first line seems 2 DC in each space, and there is one space where I have made some changes. In the second line, everything is HDC in the circular growth pattern, which means 1 HDC, 2 HDC, same way. And here is only one space where I have made some changes. And last line is all single crochet. Again, there is one space where I have made changes. First line is going to be in the space between the DCs and not on the top of DC. So make a moving knot, join yellow yarn in between any of the 2 black DCs. So I will make 2 DCs in 7 spaces. I am going to make a triple crochet. For triple crochet, I have yarned over twice. This will give a little better height. Now I am going to make a double triple crochet. It means yarn over thrice, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and final 2. Again a triple crochet, so yarn over twice in the same space. Now again I will go back to making 2 DC in between DC spaces for next 7 spaces. To complete the line, slip stitch. This way we'll weave in later on. Next line is again in the circular pattern, so increase and 1, increase 1, this is going to be pattern, so chain 2, this will be considered as HDC. In the next space I am going to make 2 HDC. Now 1. So HDC is yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through all 3 at one go. This line is going to be 2 1 2 1, and again we are going to increase here the center point. In the central space I am going to make 1 DC, 1 triple crochet, 1 DC in the same space. So it's only one place where I have 3 stitches. Like this side, I am going to complete other side in the circular pattern, which means 1 HDC, 2 HDC is my round. Third and the last round in yellow color is with single crochet, and change is going to happen only in this central space. Rest all single crochet. In the central space, I am going to do 1 DC. This will give increased height. Chain 5, leaving first chain, start doing single crochets. If you twist the chain properly, the back bump pops up and you get enough space to put your hook through. And again continue doing line of single crochet till the end. Last single crochet, slip stitch into very first, pull up the loop and cut the yarn at least 2 inches away. And my Mauli Tilak is ready.
काय केले